Lose belly fat in just 7 days. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to lose that ugly belly fat? Are you tired of trying all types of diets and exercises? Or on the other hand, you don't even have time to exercise? Don't worry, because I have some amazing tips for you. You won't have to do any kind of exercise, nor would you have to go on restrictive diets. Yes, these are some magical home remedies that will help you lose fat fast. I'll show you some of my favorite home remedies and tips to lose weight, but my most favorite and most effective tip will be the last one that I show you. So let's start losing weight now. Tip number 7. Take an inch of ginger, peel it, and then grate it using a grater. It curbs the appetite and keeps the spiraling blood sugar as well as serum cholesterol levels under control. Take a lemon and slice it into thin slices. Lemons contain flavonoids, which are plant pigments that are known to have strong antioxidant properties. Lemon can boost your metabolism and hence helps in burning fat. Take a cup of water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil and then turn off the flame. Then add the grated ginger and lemon slices to it and keep it aside for half an hour. Strain it and add 2 teaspoons of honey to it and mix it well. Drink this detox water every day before breakfast. You will see amazing results in a few days. Tip number 6. Eat cucumbers all day long whenever you feel hungry. Cucumbers have almost 0 calories and they are high in water content. They will also keep you hydrated and will give you a feeling of fullness. Whenever you have that hunger pang, go grab a cucumber. It will help you lose weight fast. Tip number 5. Take a glass of water, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in it, and keep it overnight. This drink is very effective for weight loss. Cumin can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. In the morning, warm it up and drink it before breakfast. Tip number 4. Drink a teaspoon of flaxseed oil every morning. Flaxseed is one of the essential nutrients. It will give you a feeling of being full, so you won't have the feeling of needing to eat more. It improves metabolism and splits fat rapidly. You can also add it to your salad dressings. Whenever you feel hungry, eat flax seeds and they will give you a feeling of fullness. Tip number 3. Sleep well for at least 7 to 9 hours every night. Sleep and wake at roughly the same time every day. This will help you stay in shape. Sleeping early will keep you from late-night cravings and eating junk food. A sleep-deprived body and brain results in gaining weight and building fats all around your body. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated and drink at least 8 glasses of water every day to help your body burn fat efficiently. When we feel hungry, we are actually thirsty most of the time, and our brain takes it as we are hungry. Drinking water will make that feeling of being hungry go away. You can even drink infused water if you don't want to drink plain water. You can infuse it with cucumbers, lemon slices, orange slices, and mint, and keep it for a few hours before consuming it. Tip number 1. This is my most favorite and most effective remedy for weight loss and losing fat all around the belly. This remedy is about a miraculous drink that involves just 2 ingredients and works like magic overnight. Boil 1 glass of water in a saucepan for 2 or 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to it. Turn off the stove and let the water cool down. When it's cool, add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it well. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. It helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss and can help in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. On the other hand, hormones in honey suppress your appetite and aid weight loss. Drink half a glass of this drink before bedtime and drink the rest of it in the morning before breakfast. Do this daily and you will see that you will start to lose weight from the very first day. You can keep on drinking this juice the way I have told you. So friends, these are my favorite weight loss tips that have helped me shed belly fat and lose weight. I hope you like my video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!